Zen. You know what's my favorite thing about this model?
Yeah, we were
I
just
like
having
how
like a
expressive
huge
you can
debate
be
and
with your
topic on.
face. It makes me look forward to seeing the face you'll make when you lose to me in Sparking Zero. Zentreya.
Oh, I was in a call with an I think fruit and they just kept yawning over and over while I was working. And don't get me wrong, I don't believe in the whole if you yawn somebody else's yawn thing. But I think I believe in it now. I kept yawning with them over and over and I just told them to stop yawning because I was making me yawn, and then they kept still yawning. God freaking damn it. We were yawning for like 30 minutes straight. Damn it. Stop. What the heck? You guys are such little shits for that.
Cheer 100. Yawning is contagious.
My God.
Zen, you're making me yawn.
It is. It actually is. I can't even donate. The proof is there. I can't even deny it. Proof is there, it is.